Guys, every single time I eat, they bring their whole family here on the beach. It's like a family reunion with these birds. They're my flock. Look at that. Oh, there's one on top of my car. Let's see if we can see him up here. Oh, yes, we could. Little buffalo. I think he just flew off. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's my see if I can get one of the birds to eat right off my finger. Yes, like this one. Possibly. I see you. Come on. Come on. Oh, damn, almost took my whole finger with him. Holy shit. So, I've got a seagull up here too. What's up, homie? What's up? So I think the ones that are really like half gray and half white are the older ones. And the younger ones are these brown, grayish ones. See? What if one of them just took my phone? That would literally suck. But that's the younger one, and that one's younger too, right? They're older or younger, I believe. That's how it is. I used to think it was opposite way around, but no, because they haven't got their feathers or colors yet, I'm believing. So yeah, I also, by the way guys, I don't know if I ever mentioned it on here, but I saw a seagull get run over once at McDonald's by this fucking drunk guy who almost ended up hitting me and my friend. And he was in a car with like a couple of guys, right? So I was just like, fuck, something bad's gonna happen, because he almost hit us. And then like one of them threw up out of the car, and then after they left to go on the drive-thru, I think instead it was, they ended up hitting one of the seagulls. It was so fucking sad. The seagull was like still alive. I went, picked it up, and took him to the vet. Don't know what happened to it anymore, but yeah, hopefully he got the help, because it was really sad. Like, and I couldn't let him just like, you know, just hang there and let him die like that. Even if it was gonna die, at least he would be with people who were caring for him, you know? It was really sad. Very, very sad. It's not good to feed seagulls, guys. I don't suggest doing it. I know I just did it, but whatever, I don't know. These guys are always eating. That's why they know to go where there's people. I can't believe one of them just ate from my hand. Look at the homie up there. Hello. That is an older bird. Sorry for the shakiness. So one of these freaking seagulls are sounding like a man. Freaked me out. I don't know if they'll do the sound again, but literally creeped me out. Just look at the homie up there, guys. Look at that. Literally, he's trying to hitch a ride. I mean, if you want, you can come sit shotgun and we can go back to my place. If you wanted. There's like, whatchamacallit, some chicken friends you can make. You can be part of the chicken flock. You get an unlimited supply of food. I'm hoping I don't run any of these over when it's time to back up. Hey guys, so I'm going to feed them. I found 2 french fries I dropped in the car, so let's see who ends up taking this one. Alright guys, so I'm going to try this again. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do this. You've got it, come on. They're thinking about it, but they're not so sure. Come on, babies, it's okay. Should I extend my arm out a little larger? Hopefully they don't mistake my hand as a resting thing. Come on. Sometime today would be great. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Come on. Don't be scared. Maybe if I put it a little higher, they'll feel more encouraged. Come on. guys, I'm gonna catch a cramp just waiting here for y'all to decide to come. You know what? Fine then, let's just throw it. Which lucky one? Was it you? Yes, you're the lucky one. You just got the last french fry that I know of, at least. Look at these guys. Alright. Look at how scared they get when I come out of the car. Don't worry, I'm just going on the driver's side. You don't have to panic. Okay? You don't have to panic. Very nice day out here, guys. Seagulls, I told you, there's like close to 20 birds, if not more. All over the place. Bird. Maybe some crows. There was a few crows earlier. Look, now they're hitting their other family members that are next to that huge building. Look at that. Bird after bird after bird. None on my car. No poop on my car that I can see, at least. So that's always a plus. Do you guys see those two? They were like walking together and making a weird sound. Maybe they're like a couple. I don't know. Those two over there. There's a third wheel. Third wheel. Me. Just kidding. Oh god. Yeah, these are the seagulls, guys. Again, I'm about to leave, so I just thought I'd get out and film a little bit and then head obviously back in. This is like where I eat, guys. This is my go-to spot. So beautiful. I like to just come here to escape, to eat, whatever, in a nice huge hotel right there. Or whatever that is. More birds there. Oh, see, look. See how they're walking around just screaming? Freaking weird birds. Did you guys eat bath salts or what? Freaking scary. There's 3 of them now joining you. Their third wheel's joining them. They kind of remind me of ducks in a way. I don't know. They're making extremely weird sounds that I've never heard before. This one is probably really annoying on the video, so I apologize. They're harassing a little guy. Hey, asswipes. Be polite, okay? You know, there's lots of you in this world, which means you should share. Okay? And be nice to one another. Now I know where to bring some food that I don't eat to you guys. I don't know, maybe because it's not really good to be feeding y'all, but whatever. You guys see how like crazy windy this is right now? Whoa. Woo! Yeah, so I'm just wearing a dress. Nothing too fancy. Well, okay, maybe this is a little fancy, but nothing crazy fancy. Because I still have a cardigan over me, and yeah. I just want to show you guys this beautiful place that I love to eat at. It's so marvelous, like damn. I'm trying not to show my car too much, I don't know why. You see that? Apologize again, the wind is probably gonna make an annoying sound. Okay guys, so I finished eating and I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Probably just go home. I don't know what I'm gonna do at home. Maybe play some Sims. I've been obsessed with Sims lately. Why the heck not? But every time I end up playing, I end up wasting so much time when I always plan on making like a whole bunch of houses for like a whole bunch of families, and I end up making only one house or editing one house. Not editing, fixing up one house. Never goes according to plan, but I don't know. Yeah, so it's time to go home and we'll see where the rest of the day or whatever takes us. I hope you guys enjoy this little seagull family up there. Look at that. Seagull family. Say goodbye, Charles. It's Charles up there. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. And yeah, sorry for the messed up eyeliner. I'm trying to learn how to do it. I don't think I have a very good eyeliner, so whatever. But I'll see you guys in a few, I guess. Alright guys, so I'm going to be cleaning this tank today because it is dirty and there's lots of poo and all that nasty stuff in there. So we're going to start taking out the fish first. which has just betas and guppies in there and the platy. So we'll be taking them out into little containers, and I'll show you how they look like. Alright guys, so I pull the fish out, and this is what we've got. A whole bunch of betas and some guppies over here. They're just in these little carry thingamajigger containers just until I can clean them out. The reason the water's yellow is because the driftwood and all that. You could unyellow it, but it might take a while, so I don't know. But that's it right there. The tank is there. I'm about to empty it and clean it out, so I'm excited. So yeah, this is it right here. It looks a little bit dirty because, you know, but I took out most of the poop, and I'm just gonna let this filter clean for a while, a little bit, and then I'm gonna put in my fish in here. I don't know which I'm gonna put in. Maybe I'm either thinking about putting in just the guppies in here and putting the betas in the other tank, the 29, or switching them off, or just leaving them how they were. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see, I guess. Okay guys, so this is my shrimp tank, and the plant that I do plan on taking out is this big one because, watch. I hope my shrimp will still survive, but look at this. It's like getting taken by, or it's dying because, you know, it's trying to grow out and stuff. So the top of it right here is dying, which I'm gonna take this out, plant it in my, I think my smaller one for now, let it grow in there a little bit, and then plant it in my bigger one. This one needs to be taken out eventually too, but I'm gonna wait for a while till I do that because I want my shrimp to have more hidden places. So this will be a little bit confusing as how I'm gonna pull this out, but yeah, I guess we'll just stick our hand in here and grab it out. Hope I don't break this in the process. Hold on, y'all. This is like, whoa. This is literally like way deep in there. Holy snap. The roots are stuck in there pretty deep. You guys believe it? This was a plant, okay? That was in my shrimp tank. Holy smokes. I don't know how this was in here, but it was in here somehow. And I pulled it out, and this was the hardest thing to pull out. So many freaking, like, look at the roots right there. I'm going to replant this in my 29 because I would have planted it in here, but I think my Oscars are going to destroy it. So we'll replant this over in the other tank. Hey guys, so this is the tank right now. I just put all my live plants in here, took out all the fake ones. And yeah, I've always wanted this to be a live plant, so it's cool how I don't really have to buy any to start from scratch. But I am going to buy like 2 more for the shrimp tank so they can have a little bit more cover since I took out all their cover pretty much. But yeah, this is it. I'll show you guys it when it's cleared up a little bit better. Look at these little betas all snuggled up. Oh, so cute. Little fishies. Guess you can see them better like this. Nice. Snuggled up.